your teacher Pawan Kanu, and today I have come back with the second topic related to the square of numbers. And in the previous video on last Saturday, I have explained you on how to how to take the square of a two-digit number. And here today I am just going to explain about the three-digit number and its squares. So before understanding the square of a three-digit number, the process, let us get a recall of the square of a two-digit number which I have explained in the previous video. So for a two-digit number, let us take a simple example of 15, and the square of 15, let us try how we have done on the previous video. We have separated 15 in a two digits, and breaking 1 as 1, square of 1 will get 1, and the square of 5 we got 25. The one term, second term, and in the third term what we did, it was the 1 times 5 multiplied the digits, and also the power is multiplied, and we got the product as 10. Then we'll write the product as here 10. After finalizing, we can bring down just one digit here. You have to memorize that for a two digit we have to drop one digit, and similarly in a three digit I am going to explain for three digit we will drop two digit. So for that you have to wait. Let us take here the second digit, or explaining the second digit like as in the previous video. So we dropped one digit, and 2 plus 0 will become 2 here, and 1 plus 1 will become 2 here, and hence we got the square of a two digit number. One more time, let us recall the next square of two digit is 21, and the square of 21 we can write square of 2 as 4. So I am not going to write two digits here for a while to make you explain for understanding about three digit. Square of 1 will get 1, and the product of 2 times 1 times 2 you will get 4, and hence the answer is 441, because there is no problem of carryover. Similarly, let us take another example, 48 square, then the square of 4 will get 16, square of 8 will get 64, and the product of the digits 4 times 8, 32 times 2, 64. And as I have said you, for two digit we have to drop one digit, but we got all the products in the form of two digit, but still we have to drop one digit. But while dropping one digit, what can you do is here, take 4 here, and from 64, 6 goes carry over here, 64 plus 6 will become 70, and from 70 you will drop just 1 0 here, and 7 plus 16 will become 23, and answer comes 2304, 2304. But we have got the logic. This was easier we thought. So let us check one more time what we did in our actual process here. Dropping 4, added 4 plus 6 we got 0, 10, and 1 carry over here, and 6 plus 1 7 plus 6 we got 13, and dropping we got 13, and dropping 1 here 3, and taking 1 is added with 1, and we got 2. So and hence the meaning is same. So don't take it in a different form, because this form I am going to explain for three digit number. So in a three digit number, let us take a simple easy example of three digit, that is 105 whole square, and in 105 it is three digit for us, but we can change in the form of two digit for easiness, like 1 is the first digit and 05 is the second digit. So the square of 1 becomes 01, and as I have said you, in a three digit we have to drop two digits. In a two digit we drop one digit, but here three digit we are going to drop two digits, and square of 5 is 25, and the product of 1, 5 and 2 will get 10 here. So the answer is 11025. So the square of 105 is 11025, 11,025. You can take your calculator it is more easier than that of 2 digit. Now you will feel. So let us take another example. 120. And the square of 120, break 3 digits in 2 digits. 1 and 20. So the square of 1 you will get 01, and the square of 20 you will get 400. And the product of 21 times 20 times 2 you will get 40. But I said you, if we are taking 3 digits, we have to just drop 2 digits, but here it has dropped 3 digits. So just take 2 digits and take 4 as a carryover, and you will get 1, 40 plus 4, 44 and 00, and hence the answer. So if you really have already understood the 2 digit square of a 2 digit, then you can easily do the square of 3 digits also. Let us take another more example. Little bit of bigger number. I have taken just smaller numbers here. Let us take 2, 4, 6 and the square. Now it's really a trouble. 2 and 46 we have to take, and the square of 2 is 404, but the square of 46 is a trouble. Then let us multiply here, or let us take the square of 46 ourselves, which we have done. The square of 4 is 16 and 6 is 36, and 4 times 6 is 24 to 48, and as I have said, we have to add here 6, 8, 3, 11, 1, 4, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 and 2, 1, 1, 6. I'll write 2, 1, 1, 6. And now the product of 2 and 46 and 2. We are not going to do 2 into 4 into 6 into 2. But we will do this one because we have separated these 3 digits in the form of 2 digits. So 2 times 46 is 92. Times 2 will write 184. So we'll write here 184, and I have already explained you in a 3 digit you just have to drop 2 digits. So here we are taking just 2 digits, and our answer comes 16 here from one corner, and this 221 will be added with 184, will get 502, and now we got 205 in place of 184. From 205 we drop just 2 digits, and this 2 will be added with 4. 4 plus 2 will get 6. So the square is 200. Square of 246 is 60,516. And I hope you have understood this, and it is very interesting, but you have to keep practicing. So if you practice more, you will understand more. So let us take another example, a little bit simpler for you, so that this heaviness will make you change to easiness, and that is 111 square. Then how are we going to do? The square of 1, breaking the 3 digit in the form of 2 digits, and the square of 1 is 1. Square of 11 is 121, or if you don't know the square of 11, do the same method here. After that, the product of 1 times 11 times 2 will come 22, and I have said you we have to just drop 2 digits. So here is 3 digits, so dropping 2 digits is 21, remaining 1 will be added with 22, then it becomes 23, and 01 is 1. 1, 2, 3 to 1 is the square number for 111. This is one part of process to do a square of a 3-digit number. But there is one more process. For that, take a break and let us do the square of 3-digit number in a different process. So if students find this easier, better stick with the same process, because this process is similar to that of the previous process for the 2-digit number. But another system I am going to do that is completely different from the square of a 2-digit number, and let's see that process also. square of a 3-digit number in a different process. For that, we have to assume a number that is a simple number so that we can understand it. And that simple number, let us take like 103 and the square of 103. Now you have to try to get closer with the hundreds, like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 up to the 1000. Then the closer number from 103 is 100. So here we are subtracting 3 from 103, then we get 100. But balancing, if we subtract, we must add 3 there. Then after that, what can we do here? You have to take the square of 3 first, just a single digit, or you can understand the 2-digit number here. Actually, in one sense, the previously I have said you, we have to break the 3 digit in the form of 2 digits. So the square of 3 will get 9. After that, we have to do the solution of 103. Then 103 minus 3 will get 100, and 103 plus 3 will get 106. We have to divide it by the 100. It is a formula you must memorize. You must keep in your mind that you are going to do the square of a 3-digit. So you have to take the starting 3-digit number of it. So after 99, the first 3-digit number is 100. So it is the smallest 3-digit number. We must divide with the smallest 3-digit number, and then what we get here, that 100 is divided with 8, and we got 106 and 09 as here. So the square of 103 will be 10,609. So if you are still confused, let us take another example of it. It's 204, and the square of 204, here you can get 4. Square of 4 is 16. And now imagine the number closer to 204, that is 200. And how it is close? By subtracting 4 and adding 4. Because we subtracted 4 from the number, so we added 4 to balance. And after that, 16 keeping alone here, we are going to take 204 minus 4 as 200, 204 plus 4 as 208, and divided by the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So 100 divided by 200 will get here 2, and 2 times 208 is 416, and 16 is the square of 204. Now let us take another number. The bigger number is 328 and whole square. Then first let us check what is the nearest number from 328. It is 300. Then how can we get 300? By subtracting 28 and adding 28 from the number. So our numbers are 300. 28 minus 28 will get 300, and 28 plus 28 will get 356, and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. But we have to understand what number we must do the square of. Before it used to be 04, so the square of 04 was 16. Now we have subtracted 28. Before we subtracted 4, so we did the square of 4. Here we subtracted 28, so we are going to take the square of 28. And I have explained you to take the square of 28 is square of 2 is 4, 8 is 16, 16 to 32, so 6, 3 and 7. So the square of 28 is 736, so 736 is remaining, and 0 cancel, 3 times 6 is 18, 1. 3 times 5 is 15 and 1, 16, 1. 3 times 9 and 1, 10. But there is a 3-digit number, and we have to take just 2 digits. So we'll write here 36, and 7 will be added with 8. So the next number comes 36, and 1068 plus 7 will make 1075. So this is the square of a 3-digit number 328, a bigger number we took. But there is again one more hint for this type of bigger numbers, like if you get a bigger number such as 347 and is a square, then again you will think that we have to do the square of bigger numbers like 28 here. Then I can give you a hint, like you can suppose the understanding numbers like 350, 450, 550 also here. So the nearest number from 347 is 350, then by how much? By 3. So we have to add here, added 3, so here subtracted 3 this time. Then let us check here now. Because we have added and subtracted 3, so the square of 3 is 9, and the addition of 3 becomes 350, subtraction of 3 becomes 344, and divided by the nearest smallest 3-digit number is 100. 0 carry over, divided, and now 35 times 344 divided by 10, you have to multiply 344 multiplied by 35, 5 for 22, 5 for the 20 into 22, and still 5 to the 15, 16, 17, 3 4 the 12, 2 1, 3 4 the 12 and 1, 13 1, 2 3 the 9 and 1, 10, 0 4 0 2 1, and the answer is 12040 divided by 10. So 1204 and 9 as 2 digits, 09, because we will take the square of 3 as 09. So the square of 347 can come 1,20,409. So this way we can get the square of a 3-digit number, and for that we must have a practice of the numbers first. If you practice such numbers in more quantity, then you can easily get the square of 3-digit or 2-digit without using a calculator. And for that, let us give you some work today. So do the square of 926. Also do the square of 806, and do the square of 509. So let us see whether you can easily get the square of these numbers or there is a trouble. If there is, then let me know in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to give a like to this video, and your likes will make me more boost up, and I will be making different videos related different topics in mathematics, and all the students in the world, around the world, will get benefited. So till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.